Ahoy, seafarers! Ready to discover how EU social security can anchor your future? Let's dive into the top 5 advantages of EU social security for seafarers. First up, pension security. Every contract you sign builds a nest egg for your golden years. Your contributions in Greece, Italy, or any EU country stay with you, no matter where the waves take you. Next, full healthcare coverage. You and your family get top-notch medical care, from hospital visits to dental treatments. Your health is safeguarded both on land and at sea. Third, family benefits. EU social security extends a safety net to your loved ones. Maternity leave, paternity leave, child allowances. Even when you're far from home, your family is covered. Fourth, portability across the EU. Work in any EU country and your contributions combine into one seamless record. That's real portability, giving you peace of mind and continuity. Finally, equal rights and equal treatment. No matter your nationality, as long as you work in the EU, you get the same benefits as locals. Fairness anchors every policy. So let's recap. Pension security, full healthcare, family benefits, EU portability, and equal rights. The sea may be unpredictable, but with EU social security, your future is steady and secure. Every voyage builds your career, your family, and your tomorrow. EU social security for seafarers. Your rights, your protection, your future.